Welcome to my channel. My name is Gwen Jones and I am a paparazzi accessories independent consultant. And today I'm showing you how I display my jewelry for my bling bag. Okay, this is my bling bag. It says bling boss. Ask me about my $5 jewelry, right? So I don't just throw my jewelry in the bag. I had to figure out ways to display it. So what I did was I came onto YouTube and I saw different other paparazzi sisters who were showing and doing different displays with their jewelry, and I was like, oh yeah, that makes a whole lot of sense. So I decided to go ahead and do a video for the ladies that are on my team, my other business partners as well. And if someone finds this helpful that's on another team, that's awesome and great. You're more than welcome to take any of the ideas that you may see that I will show today. So let me go ahead and get started and show you what I put in my how I display my jewelry for my bags. Okay, so basically I take cardstock and I need a hole punch. You need a hole punch and something to tie the jewelry at the top so it doesn't, you know, go down to the bottom. And so this is it. So it's quick and easy. All right, I just displayed the price down at the bottom and I put my card in the back. Now I've done it before where I have actually put like all my information down here on the bottom, which, you know, that works too, but it was so small, very small. And I'm still like trying to figure all of this out. I've been a consultant for 5 months now, but I love the business and I'm like always trying to figure out ways to make it more efficient and be more organized. So when I learn, I'll share it with you. All right, so we're gonna start with cardstock. Okay, and I cut the cardstock, let's see, hold on, 8.5 by 6, okay, because I get the bags, the plastic snack bags, and I'll show you the plastic snack bag. I actually got it from Amazon, and it's a resealable bag, and you'll want that just in case your customers want to take it out of the bag, and, you know, so they can get a closer look, which is cool, and then it reseals. All right, so it's best to cut it 8 by 6, okay, so it'll fit into the bag. Then you're gonna need scissors. So what I do is I cut at the top, not across the top, but on the sides here, maybe an inch in. Okay, but before I hole punch at the top, I always want to kind of measure it, just to make sure, so that when I'm putting my jewelry on, I put my bracelet, when I'm doing a bracelet with it, I put the bracelet underneath the necklace and the earring set. Okay, and I'll show you that in a moment. I just want to make sure that there's enough space, because I also put 2 slits at the top so that the necklace chain can fall in between there. All right, so give me a moment. Let me go ahead, and I'm going to put this beautiful pink necklace on. Pink and silver. I love the pearl like these. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back, and this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, and then I just pull it over, drape it back over. Sometimes you just have to kind of play with it to make sure that you have enough space. I'm going to make sure it's even. Okay. Make sure you have enough space so that you can bring it over and that it's going to attach to the front there. So you see how it's kind of hanging off to the side like that? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So what I do is I make sure that it's centered right there. And then I go ahead and I put my slits at the top here. Let me move it over just a little bit. I'm trying to do this on camera. I want to make sure I measure it back right, because like I said earlier, I'm actually going to have to put bracelet underneath. So I want to make sure that that is even, number one, and that I have enough space. And you can kind of adjust it even more if you need to. If you have, slack, you can adjust it. Adjust it over here. Okay, so there we are. Then I'm just simply going to slide the bracelet underneath. I'm going to even it up because I'm going to hole punch it. Hold on. I'm going to use my hole puncher. Turn it back around. I'm going to hole punch it right there in the center. Voila. Okay. Then I'm going to take some ribbon that I have, some taffeta ribbon, and I think that's what this roof. Anyway, it's not taffeta. Taffeta is a type of material, but you can use any string or yarn, ribbon, to tie it at the top, just to secure it, hold it in place. I'm going to double tie it, like so. And then I just cut off the extra. And there we go. We have a nice display. We have a set now. Not only do we have the necklace and earrings, but we have the necklace, earrings, and the bracelet. And then I would write the price amount here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm also going to attach a ring to this set. And basically all you need to do is just figure out where it is where you want to place it. And I'm going to place it over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hole punch. Okay, twice and here. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and insert my paper ribbon here. I'm going to attach the ring on, thread it through, and then I'm actually going to tie it in the back. I'm going to insert it through the other hole, double tie it, and then I'm going to clip the ends. We have a $15 set here on one display. So I'm just going to slide my card and slide it in the front, down at the bottom. So I can slide it here, or I can slide it in the back. And again, it just kind of depends on your preference. It doesn't have to be this way. I just slide it right into my bling bag. And I can put about 20 sets in here. Sometimes I take my earrings and I just put them in a bag as well. Okay, very simple. Slide that in the bag too. Piece of cake, easy. And it's easy for customers to just look through your sets, through your jewelry. If they want to take it out, they can. I hope this has been very helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. Or you can just DM me, email me. All that information is in the description box. If you need more information about how to become a consultant with Paparazzi, go ahead and give me a shout out and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.